I'm Helen Wilkinson and I'm the Programme Manager here at Lancaster University Management School, and I run the 8-month Made Smarter Leadership Programme. It's a leadership programme to help businesses to develop not only their own personal skills in leadership but also set their business up so that they're ready to adopt the digitalisation strategy.
We in particular wanted the managers to stand back. Often they're in the business and we wanted them to stand back and work on the business.
Having no formal business training, didn't know what to expect. It's been a real eye-opener in a positive way.
I think it gives small businesses a real step up. It gives a lot of confidence. My attitude now to the way it was 6 months ago is totally different.
I think the key message to come out of it for me is that digitalisation is not a process, it's an enabler as part of developing a wider business strategy.
Well, my absolute favourite thing about this course has been, I think, working with other people from different businesses and seeing the perspectives on these different issues.
The leadership programme has been inspirational, I'd say. We've already put quite a few of the processes or the things that we've learned already into action.
What the course has given us is the tools for the job.
It has allowed me to develop my entire digital strategy for our company, and I have effectively a blueprint which I will now follow and roll out.
Our business is going through a huge change, and I think without this course I wouldn't have been in the right place for it.
Off the back of this, I've put together a 3-year plan of where we want to be. So now it's really the case of delivering that.
If we're gonna digitalise as a country and grow as a country, we need to draw on the resources that we've got, and organisations like Made Smarter just provide a vital resource to do that, whether it's through the grants or through the course itself.